Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the auto off time on this Delonghi Magnifica S. So basically when you don't use the machine, it will turn itself off after a certain amount of time. Right now you can see it is off. The time options are 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours and 3 hours. So what we have to do is we have to make sure that the machine is off but plugged in. So normally, I'm just going to fast forward through this, normally you would turn it on and the machine is then ready to use, and then you have to turn it off but make sure it's still plugged in and the switch at the back is turned on. So let me just fast forward through that, let it do its turn on cycle. So you can see the machine is now fully turned on. Now we're going to turn it off but not touch anything to do with the electricity coming into it. So let it do its turn off cycle. There we go, so it's now turned itself off, but yet there's still power going into it. Switch at the back is turned on. We need to hold down this button here for around 5 seconds. And now it will come up with the display up here depending on how long auto off is set for. Right now I know that this means 30 minutes. We're going to use this button here to cycle through. So that will be 1 hour, these 3 lights. That will be 2 hours, and that will be 3 hours, all these lights. And that on its own will be 15. So 15 minutes, 30, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So let's say if you wanted to change it to just 15 minutes, you would go just to this one here, and then to confirm it, we're going to hit this button here, and everything will go off. Now your machine is ready to use again when we turn it on, but the auto off will be set at 15 minutes. Obviously, if you wanted it to 1 hour, you would have it so the 3 lights are lit up, and you would confirm with this one here. So let me just do it to 1 hour, and then hopefully you'll fully understand the process. So holding this down until this lights up, because it's only set to 15 minutes now. 30 minutes, 1 hour, this one to confirm, and then the lights are off there. So next time we turn it on now, it will be auto off in 1 hour. Thanks for watching.